term water pollution can be defined in several ways. Which of the following statement does not give the correct definition? So let's talk about this water pollution. What is water pollution? So the unwanted particles present in the water that makes it harmful for utilization is known as water pollution. Okay. Now there are several ways that can define water pollution. So what can happen here? Let's first draw the water body. So suppose this is the water body. Now the water body consists of a lot of things, right? It consists of a lot of minerals and it consists of a lot of oxygen, dissolved oxygen as well. Okay. It consists of dissolved oxygen to be taken up by the aquatic or marine life. Okay. Now what happened when we are when we say that this water is polluted? When we say this water is polluted, that means we have thrown a lot of undesirable materials. Okay, we have shown a lot of undesirable material, or what happened that we have taken up, or in some ways we did something that we removed the desirable substances, like the dissolved oxygen is being taken up, right? So in both the ways we can define that this water is polluted. Either you add some undesirable substance or you remove the desirable substances. Okay. Now, what is next thing is a change in the pressure of the water bodies. Do you know that as you go down, it's a property of liquid pressure. It's a property of liquid pressure. We study this in physics, that as we go down, as we go in depth of water body, as we go in depth of water body, liquid pressure increases. Pressure increases, right? So there's the change in the pressure of the water bodies goes as we go around the depth. So this has nothing to do with the water pollution, but a change in temperature of the water bodies. Like for example, let's say there was an industry, and the industry water, waste water or chemical water came into the here you can see wastewater mixed up with the water body. Now what happened? This increase, suppose it's a hot boiling water, so it increased the temperature of the water body. Now when we increase the temperature of the water body, it poses a threat for the marine, or you can say for the aquatic life, right? Because they cannot survive an increased temperature or decreased temperature too, for that matter. So what will happen here is that when we change the temperature, the aquatic marine life is affected. Now there is one more way, that when we change the temperature, so here aquatic organisms also releases eggs or larvae. So this is threatening their eggs and larvae as well. And also, like some organisms need their, for their breeding, they need a particular temperature. Okay. So at a particular temperature, they will be breeding. That means they're laying eggs or larvae. So it also affects the breeding of the organism. All right. So here, which of the following does not give the correct definition? It's the change in pressure, because it has nothing to do with the water pollution.